So as you know, we're going to create a little free library for the school and community, and it'll be right in front of the building, and it will look something like this. Our carpenter in the district is going to build it for us. Some of these letters can look very complicated, but each one of you is going to create your letter your way. I will give you a template for each letter of the alphabet for your letter, so we can all start with the same size, and nobody will have a really tiny one and somebody have a big one, but you can put things in it that you like, whatever it happens to be. I would have made this a little bigger, just as I'm going over these. This one's really cute, colorful. This is a little more classic, like the original illuminated letters. So how is this going to happen? Well, I'll show you the process that we're going to do after the break. Here you have the wood that you're going to paint on. Here you have a template for the letter I. So pretend your name starts with the letter I. You will also have a square or rectangle cut out the same size. So you put the letter on top and simply trace it. It's just a simple letter. You are going to embellish it and change it around. This little shaded part is because shingles overlap when they're put on the roof, so you don't design in there. So now you can decide to make your letter a little fancier just to start out if you want to. If you're going to do something kind of classic like a vine wrapping around, you can try it. You're going to try some practice ones first, so please don't even worry. Today you're going to practice, okay? Now all of this is a border, and you're going to make a design in the border, just like you see on this one done by a student somewhere else. And you might put one repeat something in the corner. I'm just really going quickly because I don't have that much time right now for the video. But if you like it, I will check it over and make sure you're using the whole space. This one is not using the whole space, right? I have plenty of room for my border to repeat a pattern all around all four sides. And I also have plenty of room in the background where I might draw my favorite things. Okay? So I'm starting to draw my favorite thing. I am not going to finish it. I'm just sketching it in lightly. Okay? Now, when yours is approved, this is not done. How are we going to get it onto the wood? Well, we're going to transfer it. First, you're going to think about what color do you want the background of yours to look like. So if your letter is brown, a lighter color would be good, right? So I didn't decide on my letter yet, but my background's going to be purple, so I painted it purple. So you will paint it. Then you will take a black oil pastel. Please be neat with it. Have a work paper under. And you cover the whole back of your design, because the real project is the piece of wood, right? Okay, let's say I'm done. I really could have done a little better, but now you carefully lift it up. Don't push hard on it, you're going to get black on you. And then put it on top, and you can use a little tape. Whatever you do, don't move it once you begin to trace over all of the lines and shapes in your design. Okay, I am not lifting this up until I'm done tracing every line and shape. Okay, that includes the border, and this will be another step in the process. This is so that if you love what you did, you're happy, that's it, and I approve it, you won't make a mistake because you're just transferring it. It's like tracing. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole thing, but you can see it transfers right on. And then you can use paint and paint pens to color. That's all for now. Today is a practice day since you just learned about it. And that means just make a box. Don't worry about the size. Draw in the letter of your name, even though you will be given templates, remember? So no worries. And then think about what you're going to put. Just start drawing. If you can't think of anything, just start doodling. Who cares, because this is just an idea sheet, right? And then do another one. Make a few of them. Don't forget about a border. Okay, I'm just randomly, this is what you're doing today. Just thinking, okay, what's my favorite thing? I didn't like the way I did that one, so I'll do, if I do the sun, I'll do it behind. If I'm going to do an animal or something or a game, let's get started.